So I'm back at Swindon Designer Outlet again. Chocolate. Look at that. It's not bad. So I'm back at Swindon Designer Outlet again. I'll show you a few of the shops, and yeah, here there's actually a Halal restaurant here now, so that should be good. But here's the outside of it, is the National Trust Centre there. There's normally a few stalls here, I think because it's a random Tuesday. There isn't much going on. It was actually really quiet. But yeah, let's go in. I mean, as you come in, it's quite reminiscent of a train station. It's actually got a bit of history to do with the rail. And look at that. Actual steam train. Nice. It was actually a railway maintenance facility back in 1843. That's just amazing to think that long ago that it was something else. And then expanded over time, and it was basically making trains. And it's just amazing. Obviously, there came a certain point where they stopped making trains, and then it turned into a shopping centre, really. These are your regular takeaways, restaurants, but the halal one isn't actually here. It's supposed to be on the other side. But yeah, if you want your veggie options, then yeah, you'd probably come here, to be honest. Chocolate. Look at that. Call that chocolate. Smells really nice in here as well. Oh yeah, there is, isn't it? I'll head into the night store first. Because I'm here quite early, this place normally gets busy, so it makes sense, to be honest. It's not bad. See what else they've got on offer. Some Marcus Rashford. 30% off, so how much is it? $34.99. Some of the shoes they have with the outlet I probably wouldn't get because of the colours they have available. There's only a couple selections that are actually quite good. By the time I went into the next store, the radio basically came on, so with a lot of this footage, the volume is going to be off because I don't want to be struck with any copyright or anything. Onto Wittard. I love this tea shop, honestly, it's great, and the prices here are really good. They normally got a sample machine near the back that I usually try. It was raspberry flavour, and as raspberry goes, it was quite a good one. Here's a list of all the men who died in World War One, and presumably these were the men who actually worked at this railway maintenance centre. I then felt a bit peckish and found something called Don Churros, and I think it was just desserts and things like ice creams and churros, obviously, which are basically kind of like long stick thin donuts, and they're actually really lovely. You could get cinnamon versions or plain versions, and they're just filled with sugar, and they're really fattening, but they're really tasty at the same time. This is an old school weighing scale. It's just amazing how they preserve some of these artifacts within the shopping centre. Next was Slim Chickens, which is basically a halal restaurant. It is mainly fried food, but there were a lot of good things on the menu here. I did obviously check that they were halal. They have a few certificates that are hung up. In particular, it was quite interesting to note with the chicken that they use Shazan's Chicken, which is a company here in the UK which produces halal meat. And yeah, that satisfied me enough. I do like it when they actually display their certificates. And it's HFA approved as well, which is a major halal accreditation system. But yeah, here was the meal. This one was the buffalo burger, and it was chicken chicken steak inside and onions on top and hot buffalo sauce. The chip portion they gave wasn't too big. I mean, this meal was about $12.99, but it did come in free drinks refill, and it came with a barbecue sauce, garlic and a hot sauce. This one was the chicken barbecue meal, and again it was a chicken steak inside and some cheese on top, and to be honest I preferred the buffalo one when I actually had it. Again, it came with a couple sauces. The chip portion wasn't as generous. Here's the kids meal, basically chips, strips of chicken and a garlic bread which kind of just looked like toast. And yeah, honestly, it was quite refreshing to have something halal within Swindon, because I've come here for years and there's normally nothing to eat except for your veggie options. So yeah, this was quite a very good addition, and they only do chicken here as well. It's nice to see a Haribo store, but there were no halal sweets here. There were only vegetarian ones. So if you're looking for your gelatine halal ones, they weren't really in here. It was just the vegetarian options, which were fine, I suppose, if you like that sort of thing. Another piece of railway history. I couldn't quite tell you what this thing does. It looks like it drills into something, clamps it down. Not sure really. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. Alright, back in the car park and off home now. It's a long day just going around the shops. Yeah, you just get tired. There's a few offers here and there, but I'm not really fond of outlets, to be honest. It's more the family that come here. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't a bad day. It was good they had Slim Chickens there. That was halal. So that's made it quite good, because normally I come before and you're just hungry. But yeah, weather's turned out to be a bit better. It was raining when I got here. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, like and subscribe, and until next time.